All right, my son came out to get a drink out of the refrigerator and interrupted me. So anyway, I got all the nuts off, take the plate off, and I'm examining this, trying to figure out why I'm having this short. Got the tape around the edge of this primary plate, or the first plate, and then I have a gasket material around here, and so I don't think there is a little spot here that isn't taped, but I think that would be covered by the gasket to keep it from touching that plate. Anyway, thinking about why do I have 0 ohms from the plates to the outer housing. Most of the other guys online have their end plates made out of plastic, plexiglass, Lexan, whatever it is. I don't remember offhand. Mine is made out of aluminum because that's what I had. So, the only way the plate would be connected to the that's maybe part of the problem. Is you see here I just have a gasket around the outside. On the other end plate I have a solid gasket and holes cut for the openings. So there is a chance that the center of this plate is touching the center of this plate. It's going to be a lot of work to redo this, but why else would I be reading 0 ohms from my lead, which is just connected to this plate, and this lead connected to that plate, to the bolts on the outside? I shouldn't have a 0 ohms there, unless it is in fact bulging a little in the center here and touching that other aluminum. Maybe that's the only problem. Although there's no way, I can't think of a way to check each plate to make sure they're isolated from one another, except to tape the edges and, like I said, put a little square of gasket material in the center, which also would probably work for this end thing. Yeah. I don't have to redo this and make a solid piece. If I put a piece of gasket here, which would be in between these two, it should keep the center from touching. I don't know. I don't know. Another alternative to this would be to make a whole new cell out of my new 6x6 inch plates that I had sheared, because they are perfectly flat, and so they won't be buckling and touching on the edge and touching in the center. But I was hoping to get this one up and running as quickly as possible to see what kind of gas I could get. All right, well, I'll have to think it over and I'll get back to you.